Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Sonos for Alexa music control. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Sonos system is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Sonos app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't installed the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app opens, sign in with your Sonos account. If you don't have an account, create one by tapping on Register and following the prompts. After logging in, tap on the Settings tab located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Services and Voice. Next, tap on Add a Service under the Music section. Look for Amazon Alexa in the list of available services and tap on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your Sonos account with your Amazon account. You will need to sign into your Amazon account, so have your login details handy. Once logged in, grant the necessary permissions for Alexa to control your Sonos speakers. After you finish linking accounts, return to the Services and Voice menu. Here, you can manage your preferred music services, ensuring they are enabled for use with Alexa. Now, go back to the main Sonos app interface and select a room where your Sonos speaker is located. Tap on the microphone icon to ensure Alexa is enabled in that room. You can now use voice commands with Alexa to control your music on Sonos. Try saying, "Alexa, play my favorite playlist on Sonos" to test the integration. If successful, you can enjoy hands-free music control throughout your home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.